With the market looking pretty weak, guys, this is the one big cap stock that I am buying hand over fist. Everything looks good. The price targets on the analysts are way up there. This is one of those hidden opportunities. Maybe not a lot of people know about it. Maybe you do. But I love to make a video on some of these bigger cap stocks there where you want to park your money in, super safe. How do you make money when it goes down? I'm going to show you guys everything that you need to know. The ticker I want to talk about is TTD, the trade desk. So let's go right into the stock here. I love this opportunity here. Please do not miss out on this because once this starts going up, a lot of people are like, man, I'm going to wish I got in here. So we're coming down into major support and demand zone. You can see right in here, we had a lot of candles here and it made a massive move up. We're coming down into roughly around this $60 area is your big absolute support. We don't know exactly where it wants to bounce. It can get close and bounce. It doesn't have to go to these regions. If you guys look at the past experiences here, you can see when price went to this monthly EMA 50, it went a little lower, but it recovered and it made a massive move. I'm thinking this is what TTD does here. I think one, we could either go down here, maybe we could consolidate, cold off. But once this thing picks up steam, it's going to pick up steam fast. I would not buy regular call options. I do not be that gambler that says I'm going to buy call options because I think it's going to go up in this time frame. You're fighting a lot of factors, guys. Buy the shares, and I'm telling you, this is going to be, longer term, you're going to be golden here, okay? So this is how I played it. I alerted in the Discord. You can see all my alerts in the swing trade alerts. Full transparency in the Discord. You're not going to miss a beat. You're going to exactly understand why I'm taking it. And it's not just guessing at the charts here. I use a systematical approach, mathematics that, over time, my system keeps making money and money, all right? So if you look at the weekly chart, we had a beautiful uptrend here. We hit the EMA 50. Obviously, it's kind of like kind of switching here, but the longer term outlook, I love looking at monthly charts too. If I see a monthly EMA 50 and we're coming down into that area, I'm going to take a shot at it, guys, as this is just a beautiful opportunity. We've seen in the past, we got close to this 50, made a massive move up. Got close to this 50, made a massive move up. We can get a little lower than the 50 and make a massive move up too. I think this is screaming for a dead cat bounce at the very least, and I'm buying shares on these dips here, guys. So we'll see what happens here. And then what I recommend too, guys. Do not try to get into this bigger cap stock if you don't have enough resources to buy at least 100 shares, because the next tactic I'm going to show you is just going to blow your mind that you can win in three directions. Okay. If you're not sure about this, you might be asking like, "Whoa, what does that mean?" Well, basically, when TTD goes down, I make money. When TTD goes up, I make money. And you're like, "Well, whoa, what's the catch?" So what I like to do is I like to sell cover calls. For example, I have 300 shares of TTD, and I'm going to keep making this and keep pounding the table, and I'm going to keep telling you, hey, we need to do cover calls because we cannot predict exactly what's going to happen in the market. I think it's very bullish right in here. We just saw SPY just make a massive move up using my system where I was alerting the weekly EMA 20. Right in here, we hit this weekly EMA 20. We went down some. It can do that with TTD on the monthly, and it shoots up. Right here, we hit the weekly EMA 20 on SPY. It went down some, and it shoots up. What happens? We hit the 20, shoots up. 20 shoots up. I have no doubt that TTD, the market is looking very bullish now after that, rough down days we had. I think we're going to go and pump massive here. Look at the analyst targets. You can see a lot of analysts are in here. We have massive strong buys. We have Wells Fargo. I mean, you can look at tons and tons of analysts coming in on this and saying, you know what? They cannot justify the price right in here. Their targets are way up here in the $80, $90, $100 range, right? I would love, just for those simple targets, I would love for that. So longer term, you're looking good for TTD. You can do the analyst, you can read all the articles, but I love this. I'm a technical trader, and when I combine that with fundamentals, this is perfect. So like I said, make sure you have at least money to buy $100 of shares. I just sold cover calls on TTD, and I did it twice already. And I pretty much collected over a dollar premium. So I originally bought this at 77, guys. And guess what now? My average is now 76. And now, coming Monday, I'm going to sell more covered calls. and I'm going to reduce my average again. So for example, how I do that is I go to calls, I can look at just next week expiration, and I can be like, what is the 70, since I have a new average of 76, I can go to 76 and I'll be like, what is 76 giving me? It's giving me roughly 44 cents of premium. I could click on right here, and I could sell 3 cover calls for 44 cents and collect a premium of $132. And basically what that means is it's lowering my average by another 44 cents. Now, obviously, if the price keeps going down and down, you can see that there's less premium out of the money. You can see as you goes down and down, but I can always look to find premium. This was only 6 days out. What if I do 14 March and I do $76? You see how we essentially doubled our premium. Now I could do a buck, sell the same amount of contracts, and make $300, lowering my average by $1. So now I go from 76 to 75. All right, you see how this math works? I make money in 3 directions. I make money if TTD goes down. I make money if TTD goes up. I am bullish long term here. Now the downside is, let's say it goes above 76 by 14 March. Well, then I have to sell my shares at 76. But I still make money when it goes up. Ideally, that's not a bad thing. I'm willing to say that, you know what? I'm not going to be greedy. If it goes up to $100 in 2 weeks, I don't think that's likely. I'm not going to be a gambler and just say, hey, I'm just going to wait every day and only make money if price goes up. I'm going to make money in all directions is what I'm trying to tell people, right? And so I try to pin that out as if you have 100 shares, guess what? You can loan those shares out to a buyer and make passive income. And when this starts going up, then you can sell for more premium that's near your strike. So that's my goal for TTD. That's how I'm making money on this. I think this is one of the most oversold, higher quality stocks that you can make money coming into next month, all right? So March, I think this is going to have a very nice thing. You can see the past experiences. When this thing had a big move down, what has it done? It had massive returns. This thing can pump massive. Right here at this EMA 50 on the monthly, it pumped over 600%. Like, tell me, this is an amazing opportunity. They recently just got into, so you right here, that strong market position, growth potential justified buy rating. We're excited to be named a programmatic. They just had this on right in here. We're excited to be named a programmatic partner in Netflix as it expands its ad offering across EMEA. So, I mean, lots of good news coming out. Price declining, of course. Price declines as good news comes out, as that is how the market works, trying to take cheap shares. All right, guys, I think I discussed enough what my plan is. I have it. I'm not giving up on it. I'm going to hold this thing for a month, 2 months if I have to, and I'm going to make massive money on selling covered calls. If you guys want to learn how I do that in a more in-depth video, watch my cover calls videos in the Discord, how to sell cover calls tutorial. But just shares alone, I think this is going to go up massive. But like I said, I want to make that $300 every week, reducing my average about $1, right? So that, you know, if I sell it again, 76 goes into 75. Next week or 2 weeks from now, 75 goes to 74. And you see how you're slowly but surely taking your average down to the actual price. Instead of just actually keep putting money into this, which I'm about to. I'm planning to accumulate shares every month in this, and then I can reduce my average drastically doing that. And that is how I'm going to make big money on TTD. It's got lots of implied volatility, which means it's very good to sell options on. Covered calls. It has weekly option trading, means it's very liquid. All right, guys, thanks so much for watching. If you guys want to join the Discord, this is your chance to do it. I'm going to get you guys in a massive discount on how you get great ideas like this. How do I make massive money? You can look at the swing trade alerts. We just made massive money all in February doing this exact strategy of either following the trend or playing against the trend. And then my day trading strategy is my best strategy, and I would love for you guys to see that. Click the link down below in the YouTube comments below, and the description will say join the premium Discord for my alerts. It'll take you to this free chat landing page. If you want to become a part of the community, it's not going to cost you an arm and leg like a lot of Discords. $50 a month. That's ridiculous. $100 a month, I've seen. And even $200 a month. I've been there because I was a new trader right back in the day, and I thought, you know, this is a get-rich-quick thing. Maybe they know what they're doing, and they were losing traders because they didn't have a system. They were just signals. I'm not going to be just a signals Discord. You're going to understand, one, how to trade, how to fish, and then take these trades with me if you want, and you're gonna have the psychology around you. You're gonna understand why you're not panicking when you see a situation like this. The market was down. I don't care. I win if markets going down, and I win if markets go up. It doesn't matter the environment. All right. Okay, so if you want to join, click the link down below in the YouTube comments below. Click how to subscribe. You'll see right in here, you just click day trade alerts. You'll get access to everything for this promotional discount. You're going to get it all for 12 bucks a month. Day trades, swing trades, educations, live streams, one-on-one coaching, anything you guys need. You'll have it already here. You can go through the channel. You can watch some of these videos. Watch like one a day. Don't overwhelm yourself. I'll post new content. As long as you're in the Discord, you're going to get all further communications, all further education. You'll be there. I'll be in the Discord all the time during the market hours too. But if you are in the Discord, you get locked into this amazing discount. Obviously, if you lose, leave the Discord. We will increase the price as goes. But this is something is if you want to learn, you can get your feet wet and learn this strategy. I've been a trader over 6 years doing this exact strategy, and it's been absolutely awesome. And I will gladly show you how to set up your chart too on how I do all this. But this whole video is to discuss about TBV, big cap stock that I firmly believe in, that should be accumulated, buying it, and how you do covered calls to keep making money on it. People say like, oh, your average is not good. I don't care. I'm making money I'm making passive income. That was my idea for this stock. If it went up big, no big deal. I make money as it goes up too. I am going to accumulate it once a month. My cover calls are going to reduce my average. And people are like, I've never did cover calls. You need a margin account. It's super easy to get. Apply on your broker. It's the safest option strategy. I even do credit spreads in my day trading community. I make small accounts, make 50% gains every month. And I'm a very conservative player using these kind of advanced strategies that people don't know about, and now they do. And then people are thanking me so many times like, holy crap, Tesla went down, but it doesn't matter. We made so much money already, and now that when Tesla's going up, we're making bank because I traded this one too. Amazing average rating here. Tesla, we went down, we took advantage of it. On the cover call section, we bought some shares, and now we're making money in two directions. That's exactly how this works, guys. It does not matter if we catch the absolute bottom. We know kind of where we look to buy entries. Of course, you don't want to just buy randomly. We want to look for crucial areas, and that's what's part of this system. All right, if you guys are not from the U.S. and you do subscribe, it will be like $15 or $16. Don't worry. You're getting a lifetime of a discount. If you do subscribe, do it on your computer to avoid the iOS fee. Please read how to subscribe. It talks about everything. If you have an Android, it's best to subscribe on your computer because they might say it's not available on Androids, but they'll fix it eventually. But click this link here to do it on your web browser and not your app. But easiest way, use a computer. Love to see you guys in this community. Happy trading, and let's make some bank on TTD.